Hi guys, welcome back to Rumah Belajar AhundrEd. Today we are in the last question of paper 1, Pure Math 1, October November 2019. Okay, so the diagram show part of the curve y equals to 1 minus 4 over 2x plus 1 square. The curve intersects at x-axis at A, and the normal to the curve at A intersect the y-axis at B. Obtain expression for y over dx and integral of y dx. Okay, so in this case, how do you find the derivative of y? So when you write down y equals to 1 minus 4 over x plus 1 square means you can write down as y equals to 1 minus 4 2x plus 1 negative 1. And then how do you differentiate this, or how do you differentiate? So differentiate is derivative of 1 is 0. This one to derivative this like this, so you derivative this as 1 unit, so you have positive, right? 8 2x plus 1, and this is your subtract with 1 negative 3, and then you derivative of this inside of this, so you have 2. So it means dy over dx equals to 16 2x plus 1 negative 3, or you can write down as 16 out of 2x plus 1 cube. And then how do we find the integral of y dx, right? So it means integral of 1 minus 4 over 2x plus 1 square dx. So this case you can write down as integral of 1 dx minus integral of 4 over 2x plus 1 square dx. Okay, so in this case, this one you can use substitution, integral substitution, right? So perhaps u equals to 2x plus 1 2x plus 1, and then du equals to 2, right? So 2 dx, and then because this one is for the x here, so 2 du equals to 4 dx. Then you can write down as integral 1 dx minus integral of 4 du, it means 2 du over eu square, right? So means 1 dx minus integral of 2u minus 2du, or you can write down as x. This minus becomes positive 2u, this is plus 1 minus 1 plus c, right? And then you can write down as x plus 2 over, what is u is 2x plus 1 plus c, boom. So this one is for the integrate, and this one's for differentiate. Next, find the coordinate of b. So how do we find the coordinate of b? So find this coordinate, right? So to find the coordinate, we need to know this, right? Line equation. Okay, to know the line equation, we need to know the tangent to the curve. To the curve. To know the tangent to the curve, we need to know the x x point. Okay, so to know the x point, we need to know what is y. So in this case, we can y equals to 0, right? So when y equals to 0, so to find x, so you substitute in this y, so you have 0 equals to 1 minus 4 over 2x plus 1 square, right? So you have uh, this is 1 equals to 4 over 2x plus 1 square, right? So you have 2x 2x plus 1 square, you have 4, so 2x plus 1 equals to 4, then x equals to, sorry, the square root 4, right? Or equals to 2, then x equals to 2x equals to 2 minus 1 is 1, so x equals to 1 over 2. Okay, so we already got the x point is 1 over 2. Okay, to find the tangent to the curve or the gradient, so find out the gradient, right? Because when you get the gradient, you can find the line intercept, line equation. But in this line equation, you use normal to the curve. So when you find the gradient, then you can find the normal, right? So what is the gradient? The gradient in this curve, it means this dy dx equals to, and you put it this x in dy dx, right? So in our I already we already got dy dx equals to 16 out of 2x plus 1 cube. So 2x plus 1 cube. Our x is 1 over 2, so 16 out of 2, 1 over 2 is 1 1. Wait, 1 over 2 is 1, so this is cube, sorry. So we have 1 1 plus 1 2 2 cube is 8, right? So our tangent gradient is 2, so this is 2. After you get tangent gradient, you find the normal. So when the gradient is 2, the normal is negative 1 over 2. Okay, the normal 1 over 2 you find out in the line equation, right? So what is line equation? Y equals to mx plus c. M here you use normal gradient of the normal. So why? Because in this the a point we already got a is x 1 over 2 and y is 0. So you put it here, 0 equals to m. The normal to the curve is negative 1 over 2. You multiply with 1 over 2 for x, and then you plus c. C is the intercept, it means point of the right. So it means 0 equals to negative 1 over 4 plus c, then c equals to, sorry, yeah, 1 over 4. So the coordinate of b is x is 0, y is 1 over 4. Yeah, you got it. This is for b. So coordinate of b is 0 1 over 4.